Hey everyone, ShbZ here. Today I'm diving into the world of tutorials with a quick fix for the D3D11 error on Windows 10. So to be specific, there could be a lot of reasons for this error to pop up on your screen. I've tried tons of fixes after watching a lot of YouTube videos, but it couldn't fix for me. So it took me a week just to realize what was the issue. I flashed my graphic card, I overclocked it for mining purpose, and I was not gaming at all for a month or two. So if you have ever flashed your graphic card or overclocked it, then I hope this video will fix your issue. Move on to Google search engine and search for AMD ATI Pixel Clock Patcher from the source forge. Download the latest version and extract it. It's quite simple. Also, the reason to download this application is that it will help us to patch the clock files of your graphic card. I'll show you. Click open your ATI patcher that you have just downloaded. Extract it or just run, it doesn't matter. After running your ATI patcher, you'll find a small dialog box on your screen. Just click yes on it and patch the files. That's it, our work is done. Let me try launching my graphics software and see if it's working. I'm gonna fast forward this, guys, so please don't mind because my PC is slow. Yeah, as you guys can see, my software is working fine. Now let's try launching a game called Valorant and see if it's working or not. I'm sure it will work, and I hope it will work for you guys as well if you're facing the same issue like me. Yeah, and that's it. I hope this video helped you guys resolve the D3D11 error. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.